Hey everybody, it's Eli from The Verge. I'm here with Google's new Pixel Buds. They're the follow-up to the Pixel Buds from 2 years ago. They cost $179. They lose that wire. They're way smaller. And they look pretty cool. They're like little circles with a flange to hold it in your ear. So you put it in your ear, and they're just hidden away. Obviously, they have Hey Google support, so you can just say, Hey Google will hear you. The mics have beam forming, so it can hear your voice for improved call quality. And they have neat environmental features. If you have a Pixel phone or another Android phone running Android N or above, you get adaptive volume. So the Pixel Buds will sense what kind of environment you're in, and then raise and lower the volume of the audio you're listening to from your phone. They also have passive noise cancellation, so they fit in your ear, but they're vented, so you can hear some environmental sound. That works in conjunction with the environmental sound feature to give you a little bit of noise cancellation. It's not active noise cancellation, but it's some of Google's AI smarts. If you've got an iPhone, they're just standard Bluetooth earbuds though. They last for 5 hours on a single charge, 24 hours if you use the battery case. Battery case is pretty cool. USB-C charging, that's pretty important. Also has wireless charging. There's this hidden LED on the front and the LED on the inside to tell you it's charging. Pixel Buds are $179. They're coming spring 2020. These ones don't work yet, so we got to see what they sound like. That's really important. You can see more on theverge.com. Here at Google's fall hardware event, you can check out everything else on our YouTube channel on The Verge. That's the Pixel 4, the new Google Home Mini, the new Google Wi-Fi system, the Pixelbook Go. There's a ton going on. Check it out.